Okay, back in the garage on this Sunday morning. I'm going to put seat covers and headrest on today. New seat foam for both seats. I've painted the seat frames, the seat tracks, got them out here in nature's sun paint booths in the sun baking. There's the old seat foam. It was still in pretty good shape, but might as well not stop putting new stuff on it at this point. Okay, I got the bottom seat foam and seat cover on. Thing looks really good. Looks like it's going to be really comfortable. Now we'll just move on to the back. Okay, there's the passenger seat back upholstered. Now then, to put them together. Okay, there's one seat complete. Now to put it in the car. Okay, the passenger side is now finished. Now all I have to do is do the driver's side. It sure does make a difference the way it looks on the inside. Okay, there's the driver's side bottom. Now to do the back part of it. Okay, I'm done. I have the new seat covers in, both seats back in. That pretty much does all the have-to stuff for the interior. Still going to build a thing back here that looks better, but I'll worry about that another day. It's taking the driver's seat apart, and I found a quarter. No telling how long it's been in the car. It's 1981. It's grimy and dull, so it's been in the car for a long time. So I'm going to put it back in the car and call that my good luck quarter. But I really like the seats. Goes good with the car. The seat foam is awesome. Seat covers fit real good. They were a bear to put on, but I'm very happy with the way they look. Now it's time to call it a day. Okay, finally got the driver's seat built, ready to put it back in. Now let's just put her back in.